Hey guys, so today this officially starts our healthy hair growth series. So today I will be sharing with you my top 5 hair growth rinses that you can use on your hair for boosting your hair growth, stopping hair loss, and controlling your excessive hair fall. And majority of these rinses are exactly the ones that I'm using on my hair as well. And that has definitely helped me stop my excessive hair fall. Alright, so let's get started. Alright, so number 1 is Clove Rinse. This is one of my favorite hair growth rinses that I'm currently using that has helped stop my excessive hair fall. Plus, it is very easy to prepare. Now, cloves is said to be one of the effective ingredients to use for regrowing the hair because it stimulates the growth of the hair and revive dead follicles. And they also provide a better hair shaft and control unwanted hair fall from simply brushing and washing the hair. Cloves can also help in getting rid of dandruff, and it prevents premature graying of hair. Plus, it promotes healthy scalp as well. Now, you can use this rinse twice or 3 times a week on your hair. And by the way, guys, if you all want a full tutorial on the preparation and the application of these rinses that I'm going to mention, I will go ahead and put it in the description box. Number 2 is Rice Water Rinse. Now, this is one of the popular hair rinses that is circulating around the internet. Just because rice water helps detangle the hair, it can make the hair smoother, it can increase the shine of your hair, it can make your hair grow stronger, and of course, it will help your hair grow long. Now, it can be time consuming to prepare this, but it is definitely worth trying out. Now, you can use this rinse once a week, but also just make sure that your hair is not protein sensitive if you choose to use this one. Alright, number 3, Hibiscus Rinse. Now, this rinse can help reduce dandruff and scalp irritation. It can moisturize and rejuvenate your dry hair. It also reduces tangles and breakage, and this also helps stimulate hair growth. It conditions the hair. It prevents baldness and premature graying of hair. Furthermore, hibiscus is a great, gentle, natural cleanser for the hair without stripping the scalp from its natural oils. And this is actually one of those rinses that are not only great for hair growth, but also it promotes a healthy scalp. Now, for best results, you can use this twice a week. Right, number 4 is Black Tea Rinse. Now, this rinse is amazing for the hair because its natural properties helps block the hormone DHT that is responsible for the hair shedding. Thus, it reduces excessive hair fall. Now, the black tea rinse will also help nourish and strengthen your delicate strands. It is also great for softening the hair, and it will give your hair a nice shiny texture as well. And furthermore, it aids in increasing the circulation of the blood flow in your scalp, so it encourages hair growth. Now, for best results, you can use this twice a week. And also just keep in mind that if your hair is lighter, it might stain your hair, but it won't permanently dye it or change your hair color, as long as you wash it out properly with water. And lastly, number 5 is the Rosemary and the Blue Trinity Rinse. Now, I love the combo of this rinse because it is the fusion of my 2 favorite rinses for the hair. Now, the Blue Trinity or the Blue Ternit is great for growing the hair because it contains anthocyanin, a compound known to increase blood circulation in the head and therefore maintain a healthy scalp. It also helps in strengthening the hair follicles from within, and of course, as we all know, rosemary can help improve both hair thickness and hair growth because it has the ability to improve cellular generation. And rosemary performed as well as minoxidil, which is a common hair growth treatment. And rosemary rinse can help stimulate blood circulation to the scalp and promote hair growth. And it also has some anti-inflammatory properties that helps to nourish hair follicles. It also unclogs hair follicles, and it prevents dandruff and graying of hair. So this is exactly why I like this combination, and it's super easy to prepare as well. So for faster results, you can use this 2 to 3 times a week. And this is also one of those rinses that you can actually use as a last rinse since it doesn't have any pungent smell after. So that is it, you guys. These rinses are actually, as I've said last time, a great substitute if your hair does not really respond to oils at all. So these rinses do the exact same thing as the oils. It's just that it's not, as I've said, oil-based if your hair or scalp is very sensitive to oils. And also, by the way, before I say goodbye, you guys, check this out. Do you all like my hairpins. I actually found them very cute, and I love that it gets the hair out of my face while also letting just my hair down at the same time. So that is it. If you all like this video, please give this video a thumbs up, and please do share it to a friend if you found this content valuable, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye!